Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and the Happy Crew. I'm sure you'll see Wyatt in just a minute, but Zena is actually here right now. Wyatt is right on the other side of the camera. And for today's unboxing, I have the Winter FabFitFun box for you. And I don't know if you guys can see this little yellow sticker here in the corner, but I have some add-ons that I purchased as well. So when you do the FabFitFun lifestyle subscription, which is $49.99 a month. You could also choose to do it for the whole year, which is what I do. Then it's $180 a month. And if you do the whole year, you get to see add-ons before those who do not purchase it annually. And you can do add-ons. You can get extra items for a pretty discounted price. So I did add a few items. I can't remember what they are now. So we'll find out together. But generally, your box that you pay $49.99, you get products worth around $200 or more. And they do work based on your preference. So they'll put together collections based on how you filled out your profile. So let's dig in. I love this subscription. I think it is lots of fun. And I do think they always send you lots of interesting goodies. All right, so here's what I see when I first open my box. And it looks like I got 4 add-ons this time. That's funny. All right. And maybe the 4 are right here on top. I got Loli Tea Seed Elixir. This is a multitasking beauty oil. For combo skin, the key to a clear, dewy complexion. All right, so that was my first add-on that they threw right here on top of all the other stuff. And generally your add-ons around $10 or $15. They're not generally very expensive, so they're deeply discounted from their original rate. All right, that's the first one. Next, I got Marc Jacobs Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer. This looked interesting. I have not tried this one before, so I wanted to try it. Here's the box, and here's the tube. So it's a good size tube here. And this was supposed to, Instant Blur Filter Extended Makeup Wear Coconut Delight is what it's called. It's supposed to help your makeup go on better and blur some of those lines you really don't want everyone to see. So that spoke to me. I might have fell into that one a little too quickly. The next one is the Complete Eye Renewal Balm by Algenist. So this is formulated with, what does that say? Hyaluronic acid. And it is anti-wrinkle, anti-rides is what it says there. Can you see that? Zena, you ready to go? Huh? You gonna swap out for Wyatt? All right, come on, Wyatt. You two swapping out today? Go ahead. There you go. Now Wyatt's joining me. And Zena's staring at me because she wants treats. So here's what it looks like. See if I can open it here. Doesn't really have a smell. So I figured, this might be nice for some of these wrinkles that I do not like but are happening around my eyes. So that was what I was thinking when I purchased this one. That's number 3. And my number 4 add-on, we haven't even gotten to the box yet, is also by Marc Jacobs, and this is Lip Frost. Are you going to be disruptive, Zena? First of all, check out the cute case this is in. Is that not adorable? And here's what it looks like. Looked like a nice neutral. Not bad. That was my last add-on. All right, so now it's time to get to the actual box. Let's do it. And Zena apparently is going to try to rush me along. We're just getting started, babe. You don't get to rush me. We're just getting started. Do you want to come over here? All right, you always get a book that tells you all about the items that are inside your collection, and they do vary based on your preferences, as I said, but generally all of them are listed. This one has Katie Couric on the front of it. I got a Kind bar. So there is some add-ons in here for wine and what is this one for? Oh, okay, to remind you to gift FabFitFun. Reminded me about HBO Max. I have something here for HelloFresh. All right, lots of stuff in here, including a Kind bar for me to try. All right, let's get right to it, Zena. You excited about this? I'm excited. I love this box. All right, so your total value can be $200 or more, and they do have them coded to what goes to all members versus select members to FabFitFun member picks. You can see how it's marked up here at the top based on the color. And let's do this. You do get to, there's a customization window that opens up where you'll get to pick between 2 choices or 3 choices usually, or potentially more. And that's how some of the add-ons will work. So you might be offered a selection of 5 items. You pick the one you like, but you could add on another one for an additional $10 or $15, for example. All right, first up, what do I got, Z? What is this? Huh? Zena's getting rowdy here. She wants to be involved. She saw that Kind bar and she thought there might be some food in here. This looks like a scrunchie to me. Now I have both pups interested in this. You guys aren't going to like this. So these are 3 little scrunchies for your hair in fun little animal prints. Those are cute. You guys want scrunchies? They're scrunchies for your hair. You don't need them, honey. I gotta let your hair grow out for that, don't I? So those are cute. Let's see, the scrunchies. These 2 aren't going to let me get through this, are they? All right, it says that the Noir Jewelry, it says Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchie. Meow, keep your hair out of your face with these leopard print scrunchies, and the value of those are $25. You're so silly. All right, next up. This is going to be a hard one for me to get through. Is by Murad. I love the Murad products. This is the Rapid Collagen Infusion cream. I use this a lot. I love it. This is super expensive. The value of this, let me see if I can find it for you. Yeah, $78 for, how many ounces is this? One ounce. And I find this to be such a good product. I love it. I love using it every morning and every night. Here's what it looks like on my face. Amazing product. Let me see what it says about it. It says, formulated with collagen amino acids, this treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles. So now you know why I like it so much. All right, see. But it does work. Next up, I got something fluffy. This looks like, this is Fluffy, Furry, Friendly, Fresh. And this looks like a blanket, and it's very heavy. It feels like it could be a weighted blanket. It says, unhide little marshmallow blanket. The value of this is $65. It says, stay cozy all winter long with this soft faux chinchilla blanket. It is 50 inches by 60 inches, so that's pretty big. Look how fluffy this is. It feels wonderful, and I love the color. It's a nice soft gray that would get pretty much neutral, would go with anything. Love this. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. That's cute. It says unhide, for love, not fur. Adorable. All right. Next, what have I got? I've got probiotic skincare. This is, it says glow and get it. Okay, this is by Tula. It's Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. And it is valued at $30. It says energize and awaken the under eye area, or use it as a highlighter on your cheekbones and Cupid's bow for an instant glow. I like that. Let's see how it comes. I wonder if it's yeah, it's a stick. I'm throwing stuff all over the place. So here's what it looks like. That looks like something I would definitely use. I'm excited about that. Wyatt, can you bring that to me? I threw the little top across the room. Wyatt was checking it out for me. So it goes right on the top there. All right, let's keep going. Next, I see, looks like a shadow palette. What is this? This is by Laura Geller. It's Cinnamon and Spice. It's valued at $45, and it says, achieve warm daytime and smoky nighttime looks with this 12 crease-proof shades, with these 12 crease-proof shades. It does tell you the names of them on the back, which I like. And here's what they look like. I like these. Nice, I like neutrals. So this is a nice set. Cute. Those are nice colors. I like them. All right, what else have we got? What is this? This is by Phase Zero, Making Movers. That's what it says. And let's see what it is. So this says a silky smooth formula blends seamlessly into the skin for a gorgeous blush of color. So it's a blusher, and it's $27.50. It's a blusher. Making Movers blusher. And let's see what this color looks like. All right, so what do you guys think of this blusher? Doesn't look bad. Oh, I like it on. It looks better on. At least on my hand. We'll see what it looks like on my face, but there's the color. You can see right there. Yeah, that's not too bad. All right, that's the Making Movers blusher, and I think, yeah, I said the value is $27.50. All right, we're going to keep going. There's still more stuff. What else have I got here? This is by Wish, and this is Lip Scrub. Gently Exfoliate. This is in Vanilla Bean, and it's $20. Organic Brown. This is the outer container. Here's the tube. So you do get, these are all full-size products, 0.75 full ounces. Organic brown sugar and shea butter work together to exfoliate and soften your lips. $20. That must be a thing right now. I've gotten a couple lip exfoliators, but I know my lips probably need help right now, so they're probably a good thing. And last, what did I get here? This is a cutting board set of 4. I love this. This was one of my picks, and they come in all different colors. And I thought this was awesome based on if you had several things you wanted to cut. You can pull these out, not to mention they're easily stored. But you get 4 different cutting boards. And they are, let's see, BPA free, dishwasher safe. And what size are they? They're 10.8 inches by 14 inches. Here's what they look like. They have like a gripper side on one side, and then they tell you what they're for. So this one's for meat. This one's the smooth side. And we have one for, that one was for like steak. This one's for poultry. Has a little chicken there. And they're color coded. This one's for veggies. Cool. And this one is for seafood. How awesome is that? Love that. That's such a great idea. So these are valued at, and the sidekicks are going to probably get rowdy here. They're starting to play. They're valued at $19, and I think it says 85 cents here. Each cutting board features a non-slip backing grip, so you can cut your veggies, fruits, and more with ease. Cool. I like these. Such a fun idea. Easy to store. I'm always looking for a cutting board. I thought those were great. That's everything. What did you guys think? So much stuff, right? I think you get so much stuff. And there's other selections you can see inside my little book here that I didn't get that other people probably received based on their particular preferences. I've got a bunch of chaos going on the other side of this camera with the sidekicks. So I got the cutting board. I got the, this is the eye balm. I got the palette, the eyeshadow palette. What else? I got this fun, yummy blanket to curl up in front of the fireplace in. That's fabulous. Love it. What else? I got scrunchies to put my hair up in. I got my Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion to make all the wrinkles go away. And I got blusher to try. So that's a different color for me. I don't normally do that one. And what else? I got some Vanilla Bean lip scrub. I think that's everything, including my Kind bar. So that was a lot of stuff, and plus all my add-ons. This was not a bad box at all. This was fun. So I'll list all the information down below. If you want to give this box a try and you use my link, you will get $10 off your first box. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. This was fun. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. I would love it if you'd also hit that subscribe button and hang out for the long haul. It really helps me continue to bring you new content. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. Until next time, everybody. Bye-bye.